This is me, Jimmy, a Geek. So here's a bad news. The upcoming AMD Radeon 7nm is now been delayed up to October. The AMD Radeon 7mm is the graphic card which is one of the most hyped graphic card at the end of the day, but it's delayed up to October. To be honest with you, I'm really very sad. Right now AMD do not have any main graphic card in their line. The higher end is the RX, the RX 59 and the RX Vega 64 and 56. They are the higher end, but I want something higher end from the AMD. Sorry, my video was just cut off. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Check out the links in the description box. But in meanwhile, if you're a budget gamer, I only recommend one of the best, my favorite graphic card are AMD RX 590. I already done my review. I will be looking to do more review. I already done the RTX 260 review, 590 review. I'm thinking to get a graphic card on a loan, or maybe I will just buy second hand and sell back on eBay or Craigslist. Thinking to do a review of the RX 580. Yeah, my review will be late, but at the end of the day, I keep the benchmark and then I can make the comparison easily. So it was me, Jimmy.